In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Udemy courses in 2025 with a simple step-by-step guide. Whether you're a seasoned learner or just getting started, purchasing a course on Udemy can open up a world of knowledge right at your fingertips. Let's walk through this process together, ensuring you can easily and confidently make your purchase. First things first, you'll need to head over to udemy.com. If you already have an account, all you need to do is sign in using your credentials. If you're new to Udemy, don't worry. Creating an account is straightforward. Just click on the sign up link and fill in your details. You can register using your email or sign up conveniently with your Google or Facebook account. This will be the key that unlocks the door to thousands of courses spanning countless topics. Once you're logged in, you'll find the search bar prominently displayed at the top of the page. This is your go-to tool for finding the perfect course tailored to your interests. Maybe you're looking to learn a new programming language or perhaps delve into creative photography. The possibilities are endless. Type in your desired topic and take a moment to browse through the extensive collection of courses that match your search. Udemy's rating system and user reviews can guide you to high-quality courses that meet your learning objectives. When you found a course that piques your interest, click on it to enter the course page. Here, you'll find detailed information about the course contents, the instructor's background, and reviews from previous learners. If you're satisfied with your choice, look for the bold Buy Now button. Clicking this will initiate the purchase process. At this point, you'll be prompted to choose your preferred payment method. Udemy offers flexibility, allowing you to pay via credit or debit card, PayPal, Gcash, or other payment options depending on your geographic location. Select the method that suits you best, ensuring a secure transaction. If you've never used Gcash or PayPal, remember these options are great for fast and secure online payments without sharing your card details directly. After you've selected your payment method, you're just one click away. Simply press Complete Purchase. Wait a moment for the transaction to process, and before you know it, your chosen course will be available for access in your Udemy account. Congratulations, you're all set to dive into a new learning journey. Make sure to download the mobile app if you prefer learning on the go. With this guide, buying Udemy courses is a breeze, taking you one step closer to expanding your horizons and enriching your skills. Enjoy your learning experience.